Universally, children's play has always existed, essential to life, balance, and their development. The child, a generator of endless ideas, a being with a boundless imagination, a designer of the future. But when it comes to inventing what is best for the child, are we really listening? In the quest for exceptional play, is the child an overlooked creator? Because one fact remains: all children love to create. So let's team up. Jambette and Patro de Lévis have installed the brand new Adventure Lab to give children an opportunity to invent, to create, while allowing them to build their self-confidence and independence and learn their limits. By using tools, and even squabbling on occasion, away from the watchful eyes of adults. And it's serious business. To optimize the benefits of this unusual playground, we have put forward, thanks to the active participation of the Université du Québec à Rimouski, Lévis campus, and the Université du Québec à Trois-Rivières, a research project on free and active play. We're going straight to the source to innovate better. Jambette is enhancing the world.